You know, there's just something special about a single-story brick ranch with a large yard in an established neighborhood, and this house is gonna blow you away. It's got some style, it's got some panache. You know what? Let me just let this house speak for itself. Enjoy. Oh, hello. My name is Jim Brantley with the Charleston For Real team. If you like this video and this tour, be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to receive more just like it, all about the Charleston market. Let's get back to the tour. How about those amazing amenities here in the Kings Grant neighborhood? You're close to so many major employers. You got DD2 schools. What else are you looking for besides this neighborhood and that home? Come make it yours.